Hello friends, how are you? This is Balraj Bright Education. So hope you all will be fine. Today's session is totally based upon UPSC, SSC, Bank PO, English Speaking Course, Ielts, CDS, NDA, FCAT, CAPF, Navy, RIMS, SSV, Air Force, Rashtriya Military School, other competitive exams. Before start the session, I will request everyone kindly share, subscribe and like us. We have recently launched a pen drive course. If you want to buy our pen drive course, you may call on this number 7009575019. So without delay, let's start today's session. वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आप पहले प्रीवियस जो है लेक्चर्स को देखें। अगर आप नहीं देखते हैं तो बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है समझना। पहले प्रीवियस सीरीज को जरूर देखें। तो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस है ही विल नॉट लीव डैश द एग्जाम्स। क्विकली 10 सेकेंड आंसर। तो राइट आंसर विल बी ओवर हियर थ्रू। वी हैव डन 11 chapter of narration. Today is 12th chapter. So he will not live through exams. The right answer will be over here. The throw is used in the sense of from beginning to the end of the activity. So throw is used over here from the beginning to the end of the activity, a situation or period of time. So he will not live through the exam, so he cannot spend time exams time. So it means over here the rest preposition will be wrong over here to be removed. So in this way you have to mix the right preposition usage. You will have to use right preposition. Next is first I have get dash exam. First I have get dash exams. Quickly 10 seconds answer. So over here we will be using through. The first I have get through the exams. So right answer will be through. First I get through the exams. So through sense over here is used in the sense of past a barrier, a stage of test. So he passed through an exams. So he first I have to get through. So he has to pass the exam. So get through will be the right answer over here. So it means like a barrier kind of barricade that he has to give test. So that's why get through will be the right answer. The first I have to get through the exams. Am I beneath other preposition will be wrong over here. It gets to be removed. Next is he went dash many difficulties. Quickly 10-second answer. So he went dash many difficulties. Quickly 10-second answer. So he went through. Through will be using over here. So through sense present a sense over here. Get through to pass the examination. Recently we have done. Now it is same way. I went through many difficulties. So went through will be the right usage. So we'll be using over here through. Right preposition will be there. So right rest preposition will be wrong over here. So right preposition is through. So right preposition है through है. इसको use करना है आपने. He went through many difficulties will be the right answer. Next is he was with me dash the day. So throughout is used over here. Through will be using over here. Along with through will be also using out throughout because it tells He was with me through the day. So right answer will be through. He was with me through the day. Through means over here. Throw, throw out. Not throw, it's throw out. So he was with me throughout the day. Amid, throw, in, down, by will be using over there as preposition will be wrong over here. The right preposition is he was with me throughout the day will be the right answer. Throughout in the sense of in every part of whole day you can say for a long time. So through you may write over here through the years. So for the long time sense of every part of something for long time we will be using through over here. So through represent over here sense. Next is don't go dash river. The right answer will be over here. Don't go dash the river beyond. Don't give go beyond the river. So amidest, in, through, down, over, by. This preposition will be wrong over here. Gets to be removed from here. Don't go beyond the river. So beyond is used in the sense of a farther side of something. So don't go beyond the river. फर्दर दूसरी साइड की बात कर रहा है कि उस रिवर के उस साइड नहीं जाना है. सो डोंट गो बियॉन्ड द रिवर. नेक्स्ट इज देयर इज अ विलेज डैश द पॉन्ड. सो अगेन बियॉन्ड विल बी यूजिंग ओवर हियर. There is a village beyond the pond. So beyond will be using over here. Right preposition will be beyond. So there is a village beyond the pond will be the right answer. Next is my uncle has nothing dash his provident fund. Quickly 10-second answer. You have to give answer. The right preposition will be over here beyond. So my uncle has nothing beyond his provident fund. प्रोविडेंट फंड के अलावा अंकों के पास कुछ नहीं है. सो बियॉन्ड विल बी यूजिंग ओवर हियर. बियॉन्ड इज यूज इन द सेंस ऑफ एक्सपेक्ट. इसके अलावा तो एक्सपेक्ट फंड्स ही हैज नथिंग later than a particular time. So it tells us my uncle has later than something, later than some particular time. Beyond will be using later than particular. There sense है later than particular time. Next is next preposition will be the sun gives us light dash the day. The sun, it's not sun, the sun gives us light dash the day. So right preposition quickly. So the right preposition will be during. Over here during the day. Why the during will be used? Because it's a course, in a course of something, or all through a period of time. So we will be using during. Rest preposition will be wrong over here. The right preposition will be during, which is being used over here in the sentence. The sun gives us light during the day will be the right answer. So sometime for beyond we use some phrases like to get beyond means to be out of reach, to get beyond, to go beyond, in option, beyond description that cannot be explained, beyond once means out of the once means, beyond reach, out of reach. So in this way there is many phrases that you can use in your daily life. Next is During we are now doing during. During has a proper sense over here. The sun gives us light during the day. Next is nobody would talk dash my discourse. Nobody would talk dash my discourse. So during discourse, जब वो पाठ करता है तो किसी he do not want any disturbance. He so nobody would talk dash my discourse quickly. Right answer will be over here during. So during is used in the sense of in course of all through a period of time, and also during is used for certain period of time like during the war, during strike, during meeting, during middle age, during Diwali, during Holi, during summer, during day, during night, during spring, during winter, during Easter, during his childhood, during function, during the examination, during the summer vacation, during the week, during the month, during the year, during the morning. So during has a various phrases over here, so you will have to use in daily life. You may use these phrases. If you need more time, you may pause the video. Nobody would talk during my discourse. This will be right. And next is the people suffer hardship dash the war. So during over here is used in the sense of to express something. So the people suffering suffer during. So during will be the right preposition. We'll be using over here. The people suffer hardship during the war. Rest preposition will be wrong. Right preposition is during. तो यहाँ पे during जो है proper sense देता है कि the people suffer, लोगों ने suffer किया hardship during the war, during war के दौरान. तो during is a period of time. Next is dash the dinner he talked about his plan. So during will be used over here in the sense of habit during an action. So habit, for habit we will be using during the dinner he talked about his plan. So right answer will be during. Next is he was taken to hospital dash the night. So over here during the night, so during will be the right preposition over here. He was taken to hospital during the night. So during at some point of time, period of time, we will be using during at some time in the period of time. So during will be used over here. He was taken to the hospital during the night. Next is it is difficult to pedal the cycle dash the wind. So against will be using over here because it is against the wind. So against will be the right answer. So against the wind. Against will be using over here in the sense of in contravention, in contrary, something is opposing or disagreeing with something. So in this way you have to use against. So against will be the right preposition. Rest preposition will be wrong over here, gets to be removed from here. Now we will be talking about against. Against will be using for opposite or in the sense of attached, sticked on something. Comparison, when we will be doing comparison, or when we will be talking about to prevent something from happening, so we'll be using against. This is the last sentence. Thank you very much. At last I will request again, kindly share, subscribe and like. Thank you very much.